What's up, guys? Today I got another small little project for the car. I'm gonna be putting on a underglow kit to I don't know, just spice this thing up. Alright, so this is what should be in your box. You got your LED light strips, you got your control box, you have a little key fob that can control like the color, the speed of how fast the lights move and all that. You have some screws, you have some connectors, and you have a bunch of zip ties. Alright, so the next thing we're going to want to do is just basically get your vehicle up in the air so it's easier to get up under and attach these lights. So all you're going to need, at least what I'm going to use, is I'm going to use 2 ramps, I'm going to use a jack stand and a jack just to get this thing up. Alright, now that you have your car all jacked up, what I would do next is basically just go up under the car and just inspect where you're going to put it. I'm going to put mine just along here, but you see how mine's dirty? Clean all the surfaces that you're going to put the adhesive to. Alright, so I just finished washing all the spots underneath the car where it's going to stick to. Next, I would basically just lay your stuff out and basically just dry fit it. If you got to use tape, just get it up under there. And you want to start looking to see where you could put cables, because there's a lot of cables that you need to tuck away, hide, and do all that. I also forgot to mention this, but anytime you're working with electrical, please disconnect the negative battery terminal, because it's going to save you if that thing maybe shocks or something. Alright, at this point, I am putting the strips under the car just to see how they look, and then I will actually put them on for real with the screws and zip ties. So basically what I'm doing is basically running wires right now, just tucking them back so it's not moving any, hitting any moving parts or stuff like that, like keeping it away from tires. So yeah, once I finish with that, we can start sticking it to the actual body and using screws and ties. Alright, so I got everything connected underneath. Everything has been taped, zip tied, screwed in if it need to. On the ends of each LED light strip, there are 2 holes on either side. I put screws on, so like right here, right there, in the bumper, the other side, and in the front. So in total, there's what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16 screws that I used. I used a bunch of zip ties and that tape on the back of the strips. I routed my wires right past this, what's this called? Antifreeze reservoir. I did it like right in between those, and I put the black power module just right here with all my cables. I'll do something with this in a little bit, but this is just a temporary solution. And how I got my power is I took off these connectors. I have like little boots, I guess you would call them, or little bucket type things. So I put my wire right in there and I put the cap over it, so it just holds it in spot and it gets power. So like that for this one. Then over here, give me one sec, like that. And then I just put this over it so it kind of holds it. I messed that up, but I'll fix that. So it has power. I think it should have power. Your thing comes with like a little remote, so you can pull it down. A should be to turn it on. So yeah, these have turned on. A is to turn it on and off. C is change colors and stuff like that. So yeah, this was a pretty fun install. It looks great. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe. Thank you.